Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai and Grill. Today I'm going to show you how to make Murgh Angara Kabab. This is my favorite boneless chicken kebab ever. My choice of meat is always thigh meat, but you can also use breast meat. You can see here that I have cut the meat into thin slices, which helps with this curing process. I've been asked before as to why my salt looks pink. It's because I used Himalayan pink salt. You can use any salt. This is the only dish in which I use Anistar powder, and it gives a wonderful flavor to the dish. Believe me, and please don't skip this. Give this a nice mix such that all the pieces are evenly coated. I just realized that I missed a very important ingredient, that is Kashmiri chili powder. This is the ingredient which gives it the bright red color that we all love in the chicken. It's time to move the chicken into an airtight container. I prefer Ziploc bags, that way I can squeeze out the excess air out of the bag. The chicken has been resting in the fridge overnight. Now it's showtime. Pour some oil onto the marinated chicken and mix it well and start skewering. The reason I had asked you to cut your chicken into slices is it will help you skewer the meat in a wavy format, and the layering helps in keeping the chicken moist and juicy when grilled. If you notice, my skewer is going through the same chicken piece multiple times. The chicken is skewered and ready. It's time to fire up the grill. Do let me know in the comments if you want to know more about grilling on charcoal, and I can make a video which would cover the basics to the charcoal grilling. Believe me, charcoal grills might be little more work, but it is totally worth it. They are the best. Do keep basting the meat with oil frequently. I like pairing my meat with some veggies. Asparagus or bell peppers work amazingly well. Pair this dish with mint chutney and some cut onions. It will be amazing. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget subscribing to Kadhai and Grill.